Hi, my name is Dennis Boyle, and as the evidence-based practicing I am focusing on is social skills. In the last week, I began to gather data on a student of mine who has difficulties interacting with peers. My data collection period is during our 9 o'clock to 9:15 recess period. This is this is time of unstructured playtime where students can play on the jungle gym, play soccer, basketball, run on the grass, pretty much be free out on the playground, do whatever they want. I have taken data on 4 separate days, recording the interaction time between the students and peers within a 15-minute period. 2 of the days he had no interaction at all with the students and kept to himself. On a third day, he played basketball with another student for 3 minutes and then he was done. In addition to that, there was another observation where he played duck duck goose for 9 minutes and then went off on his own. During the times of interaction, I observed the student getting frustrated, having to wait to take turns with the ball, or getting frustrated not being selected by the other students during Duck Duck Goose. In addition to taking baseline data through observations, I have reached out to other colleagues to gain a better understanding of how to implement social skills to be best effective. 3 areas of social skills I am focusing on are initiating conversations, maintaining appropriate conversations, and taking turns. During classroom structure time, I started to teach social skills. My students and I role play different scenarios and discuss different examples, some good and some not so good. I provided them with an appropriate response or action and have the students role play it out. The students are enjoying the scenarios and is leading to collaboration and discussion. I'm hoping that next week, when I collect data, there will be more peer interactions during recess.